Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Barbara Ann by the Beach Boys. What we're going to do in this video, first of all, look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele, then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and the sister channel, so both the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert or tenor ukulele. First of all, you need the G chord, then you'll need a C chord, and then you'll need a D chord. Now with the D chord on GCEA ukulele, you can play it a number of ways. I usually put my first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and my other two fingers around it, sort of like a G7 chord, if you know the G7 chord. Some people are going to play that with fingers 1, 2, and 3 in a row, because a lot of the books say to do that. Some people will use fingers 2, 3, and 4 in a row. Some people will cover strings 3 and 4 with one finger, and then the second string with the second finger. And some people will bend their ring finger in this shape and leave the first string open and play it that way. Just don't reach over with your thumb. All right, now let's talk about baritone ukulele. On baritone, you'll need the G chord, you'll need the C chord, and you'll need the D chord. And those are the three chords you need to play Barbara Ann by the Beach Boys on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, remember there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song, so there's not one right answer. So there are three rules to strumming. The first one is play the right chord at the right time. Second is keep a steady tempo or a steady beat. And third is make sure that whatever you are playing, that it matches the style of the music. As long as you're doing those three things, you're right. There is not one single right answer. So with that in mind, let me give you a couple of suggestions. There are going to be times that you're going to play single strums, and I'm not going to be talking about that because you can hear the music. But what do you do while the music is playing and you're not stopping? Well, two options. One is to go down, up, 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 but you're going to hit strongly on beats 2 and 4. So you're going to go down, up, 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 down, up. Sort of makes it a little rockabilly, and I know this is surf rock, but it's going to work. Down, up, 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 down, up. That will work for much of the song, except for when you're stopping. The other thing you can do is sort of do the ba, 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 bra, and strum. You can do that. It's not in the original recording on the instruments, but you can hear it going like... What am I doing there? I'm going down, 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 up, 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 down. But I'm missing one extra one in there if you notice, but my hand always is going up and down. So I'm down, down, down. I go down again, up, 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 down. Down, 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 up, 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 down. So I'm getting one extra down in there to go up again. That just helps me with my internal timing because I think that my strumming hand never stops, sort of like a good watch. Just keeps ticking. Same thing has to be with my strumming hand. And then you get into your single strums next in that part of the song. And I think that pattern works really well with the song too. So with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Barbara Ann. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.